Greeting from Marvin from the Tech. Today I will introduce our agriculture soil sensor, illumination sensor, and also the water level sensor. And first I will introduce the sensor one by one. And that is the illumination sensor, also called the light sensor. It is measure the light and the illumination. And that is the soil sensor, soil moisture, temperature EC. Soil moisture and temperature 2-in-1 sensor, and to measure the soil moisture and temperature. And like this one, that is used for measure the water level, and just measure the rice water level directly. And the next, we integrated the 3 sensors into this datalogger. And that is the datalogger. First, it has the screen, and it can show the real-time data of all of the sensors directly. And second, that is the connection, and we have marked here that is the liquid level. So make sure that this port only connects the liquid level sensor and can't connect the other sensor. And the second, here is the soil and looks sensor. It means that connected the soil sensor and also the illumination sensor, only the 2 sensors. And the third, that is the U-disk. It means that all of the data will be stored in this U-disk in Excel tab. And here is the power and COM connection, and how get the power, and you can check it. Here is our wireless model. And the wireless model, we have connected the controller with the wireless model with this water power connector, and this can be powered the controller. And here is the wireless model. For the wireless model, and first they have 2 wireless tabs. One is 4G, one is Wi-Fi, and you can check it. Here is the 4G, here is the Wi-Fi, and so that is 2 antennas. When you connect it, just make sure that is for the 4G. That is the 2.4G. 2.4G is for the Wi-Fi. So you must connect it according to this order. That is, here is the 4G, here is the Wi-Fi. Okay, and the next I introduce the power supply. That is the 12 voltage DC power supply, and you just you can use your solar panel, a battery, and just make sure that is 12 voltage DC is okay. And that is basically reduce all this datalogger and also the wireless system. And next we will make the test for the sensors, and you can check it. That is the a bucket of water, and we put this water level sensor into this bucket, and then you can check the date. You can check it, the date is changing, and it is 112.7 millimeter. And second, we put this soil moisture and temperature sensor in the water. Okay, you can check it. The soil moisture changing to 100%, and the soil temperature also have it. And that is the Lumix. Okay, that we make the test. We just cover it. You can check it. The light will change in the 0. So that is the datalogger. All of the data test effective. And also, all of the data will be sent to our wireless model by 4G or Wi-Fi, and sent to our server and software. By the way, if you use your 4G SIM card and you need to insert the 4G SIM card by this tool, and just click here is a yellow button, and just click the yellow button, and a card slot will be punched out. And then you just insert your 4G SIM card is okay. Just make sure that the APN or your 4G SIM card must be same with ours you give us. So we have set the APN already according to your site. Okay, and that one is another water level sensor, and that is the 0 to 5 voltage output with 3 to 5 voltage DC power supply. And here is the spare cables, and here is the RS-485 to USB connector, which you can make the config of the system and also the sensors. And here is the install bracket for this reproof case, and that is all of the parts. And if you have any problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.